Welcome to Best 99. Today I will tell you about table lamp. We know a table lamp can increase our beautiful of rooms. Today I will help you about a lamp which can you choose for your lovely rooms. It's a Bohemian clear stained glass lamp. Already you are showing it has 4 colors. You can choose any color of this product or keep your room beautiful, more beautiful. Yeah, welcome again and love you guys to see my video. Okay, we know about the table lamp little bit, like description, product type, etc. An elegant table lamp with a Bohemian inspired style, clear stained glass detailing and a cheese touch to the base. A stunning table lamp with clear stained glass detailing and off-white lamp shade. Now, product description: overall it is 21 inch high, base is for near 5 wide, shade 5 inch across the top X, 9 across the bottom, 9 inch high, like this. Some information also available. Take maximum 60 watt standard base bulb, on off switch, on socket, or you can choose anywhere. From the Regency Hill collection of table lamps, glass table lamp base of white bell shade with self trim. Already you are showing various images and you can choose the appropriate for your room, which product is available is or not. You can choose any color from this product. A classic design nightstand or side table lamp. It's ideal for living or your family room, country cottage style. You can choose your any room. It's incandescent rate, halogen or CF light bulb. It has 19 shape, standard medium base, dimmable light, and it also available separately. You can check the link from description and choose your table lamp. Please check all details in the description. Thanks for watching and please subscribe our channel for more product. Thank you.